Hello students and welcome back to our class on practical geometry. Today we will see the type 2 constructions where two diagonals are given and three sides are given out of the four sides. Okay, we are going to draw a quadrilateral based on the two diagonals and three sides. Last time we saw where all the four sides and one diagonal was given, but this time one side is not given but two diagonals are given. Okay, the question here says construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which SQ is equal to 7 cm, PR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, RQ is equal to 4 cm, and PQ is equal to 5.5 cm. Measure and state SP. So let us write down and see what is given to us. Which one? Okay, SQ is the opposite vertices, so this is a diagonal. Let me mark in pencil. PR is 6 cm, PR is another diagonal. Then RS, RQ. RS is a side, RQ is also a side. So let me mark side. Then PQ is equal to 5.5, so PQ is also a side. Measure and state SP. So SP is the fourth side which is not given. We have to find SP. Let us start with the rough figure. We can take any one of the diagonal. Let us take the bigger one, that is 7 cm SQ. Mark a point, reference, and draw the line for rough figure. Okay, then P and R are missing. You can place them anywhere. Let me place them here. R and P. So if I join this line, I will get the quadrilateral of four side. We know also the second diagonal is 6 cm PR. RS is given as 5 cm. RQ is given as 4 cm. PQ is given as 5.5 cm. Measure and state SP. Okay, so if you see here, this triangle is complete, whereas in this triangle we know only half part or the height of the triangle, that is 6 cm. This side, this base, and this side is not given. So what we can do is we can start with the complete triangle, this one. Okay, starting with the diagonal SQ. So first we will draw SQ diagonal by marking a reference point of S. See that you have one point. That is 7 cm exactly. Okay, and join the points. Okay, so this is SQ of 7 cm. Next we can start with this triangle here. SR is given as 5 cm and RQ is given as 4 cm. So I'll take the scale, pair of compass which is aligned. The tips are aligned by keeping on a hard surface. Okay, so let me take a reference point anywhere outside. I need 5 cm first. Okay, I have 5 cm. So from point S as the center, I will draw the arc. Then I need 4 cm. Let me take S as the reference point. So from Q as the center, I cut the arc at 4 centimeter. Now I have a point here which will be point R and join the line. Okay, so I have completed the bottom triangle or half part of the quadrilateral. Don't forget to mark. Now we have another detail, that is PQ is given to us, that is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, take the measurement. You can take a reference point outside also. Since I'm showing you here, so I'll take the same and a reference point. So taking Q as the center again, the top triangle, I have to draw point P. So I have cut the arc. Now this is 5.5 centimeter, but I don't know where P is lying because we don't know the measurement of PS, okay, or SP. So but we know the measurement of the second diagonal, that is PR, which is 6 centimeter. So from PR the distance should be 6 centimeter. So from point R, by taking the reference point as R, okay, I can take 6 centimeter and cut the arc again. So this is very easy. So what I need to do is take the measurement of 6 centimeter. Okay. And cut the arc here. So now I have my point P. Okay, now I can draw the line. This should be 5.5. Okay, 5.5 centimeter, and you can measure and state SP or PS. Okay, so we will write here SP is equal to, let me measure it, is 3.9 centimeter. So I can write SP is equal to 3.9 centimeter. So this is about type 2 construction where two diagonals are given. Based on the second diagonal, you can draw the part which is not given. Okay, so let me write this part which was not given is now 3.9 centimeter. You don't need to draw the diagonal, we are just taking the measurement.